Austin, do you have any health and fitness apps you want to talk about?
So I am like all the rest of the people. I'm not that fit in this segment. This is also a little boring for me, but I use this app. I just use it for fun, just to track steps and all those things. I use Google Fit. I'm going to demo Google Fit. So this is a demo of Google Fit, and if you have a compatible band or a watch, then this will help you a lot. It will give you more accurate information. But if you don't, you can get the information from your phone also. Not all information will be available, and not all the information will be accurate. So I have resetted the app so that I can show you how it looks when you install it for the first time. So let's start.
Account Austin Pinto. Continue as Austin Pinto.
So it's telling me my account and saying continue. So I'll continue.
Fit. About you. About you. This information. Austin Pinto. Male. Gen. February 9. 105 feet 9. Next.
So it gives you your in the next screen after you click continue, it gives you your height, weight, gender, and your birth date so that it calculates your years, your age.
Automatically track your activities.
This has to be turned on, and this may affect battery life.
No thing. Turn on. Allow Fit to access. Don't allow. Allow. Fit. Turn on. Fit. Learn more. Signed in as Austin. 0 heart. 7 heart points. Steps history. Heart points. 750. 0 kilometer. 0 move. Your daily goal. Your weekly trends.
And these are all your daily goals, weekly goals, and the history. Mine will be set to 0 for everything because I have resetted the app just now.
Steps. Last step. Heart rate. Last 9 hours. 70 beats per minute. 5 minutes ago. Line chart. 68 beats.
So you can either see your heart rate in the form of days, week, months, or years also.
Navigation bar. Back.
Which is very nice.
Fit. Heart rate. Respiratory rate. Last 7 days. 14 respirations.
Your respiratory
minute,
rate can be added. If you have a band or something that gives you this information, it will feed it into the app automatically.
Energy expended. Last 7 days. 756 calories. Today,
these are the calories burned, 16, but I don't think it's important. Or it's
way to stay healthy. Welcome to
accurate without a band or device.
Dismiss card. A simple way to stay healthy. Welcome to Fit. Heart points help you see which activities are best for your health and how you're performing against American Heart Association recommendations. Dismiss card. Discover. Try adding an activity to your journal. Welcome to Fit. You can get heart points for almost any activity, like aerobics.
So
dancing,
these are some
plates.
of the health cards that gives you suggestions on what you can do.
Score more points in less time. Welcome to Fit. Get 2 heart points for each minute you spend doing a more intense activity, like running or taking a spin class. It's a great way to meet the American Heart Association's weekly activity recommendations in less time.
So this is the heart points. They recommend that you get 150 heart points a week. And if you do more intense activity, you get more points.
Dismiss card.
For each minute done.
Discover. How much sleep you need. Logo of the American Academy of Sleep Medicine. Learn which factors affect sleep needs and how to find the right amount for you.
Now this is the sleep, which you can only measure using a sleep tracker or compatible device.
Dismiss card. Permanently dismiss. Cancel.
Now some of these cards are permanently dismissed. So once you dismiss them, you can't get them back.
Dismiss. Fit. Discover. The YouTube logo and slogan Stay Fit with Me. Follow along with curated playlists to help you stay healthy from home.
So these are like playlists of tracks or sounds that can help you to stay fit.
Workout, playlist, enlist. Yoga,
and it gives
playlist.
You all this playlists.
Dance, playlist. Meditate, playlist. Mental health, sleep. Dismiss card.
And let's dismiss this card.
Permanently dismiss this card. Cancel. Dismiss. Fit. Energy expended. Last 7 days. Discover. Set a pace for your walks. Follow along with the beat to turn walking into a simple, effective way to exercise.
So you can set your pace.
Dismiss card. Permanently dismiss this card. Cancel. Dismiss. Fit. Dismiss card. Your sleep in Fit. Once you connect a sleep tracking app or device, you'll start seeing sleep data after the first night.
So this is the thing that I was talking about, sleep
Dismiss
trackers.
Journal, 2 of 4.
Now
List,
at the
4
bottom
items.
we have 4 tabs. Then we have the
Selected,
home
1 of
tab,
4.
which is selected, where you got all that information. Also, one more thing before we go ahead with this demo, you have to give the app permission for camera so that it can measure your heart rate, which we will do in some time. So this is your journal tab, where you will get history of all your activities for days, your timings of walk, and everything will be shown here.
A
It's like
personal
a
record of your
big
activities.
record
Find
book.
add data or track workout out of
You
list.
can add your data and track workout here,
Home, 1 of
and
4.
that's it.
In
So it will
list,
show
4
your
items.
history, but currently it's not showing for me because I have resetted my apps and not done anything, as I've just started recording after reset.
Select browse, 3 of browse.
Now you can
Selected.
browse, and here
Activity. Signed in activity.
you can browse different activities, like let's say
Activity. Your daily goals. Insights. More option. Insights.
it'll
in
give you
list.
insights basically.
Your daily goals. Last 7 days. 0 sevenths. Achieved. Capital M. Your weekly target. August 16 to 22. 0 of 150. Scoring 150 heart points a week can help you live. Data. Steps. Last 7 days. 7. Today. Bar chart with data from August 16th. 12.
So it's
Energy
telling
and
me I have taken
steps.
7 steps while I've not taken any steps.
Energy
So
expended.
that can be
Last 7
little
days,
inaccurate.
764 calories. Today, bar chart. Distance, last 7 days, 0 kilometers. Today, speed, last 7 days, 0.94 kilometers per hour, 9 hours. Discover. Get more from Fit, Google Play. Dismiss card. Find apps on Google Play.
You can find and connect more apps, like the TicWatch apps can be connected to the feed. Doug is going to show that in our mini series on TicWatch.
Dismiss. Navigate up. Move minutes, no recent. Step cadence, no. Cycling cadence, no wheel speed, no recent
So it
data.
has a lot of
Power,
insights.
no recent data.
And let's go back.
Navigation.
That's it.
Journal, vitals. Body measurements, active body
Here
measurements.
you have some
Body
measurements.
measurements. Navigate body add. More option. No recent data. Weight. No body fat. No recent data. Height. No recent data.
You can do height, weight, and
Body-
all those fat
No
measurements.
More options.
I think
Add.
this is like the water content measurement of the Samsung watch that is going to come
More
out.
add. Body measurements. Close. More option. Weight. Body fat. Height.
So if you have compatible devices that give you these data, you can connect to them and then you can add it.
Navigate. Body measurements. Navigation bar. Back. Journal. Body measure. Vitals.
So vitals, these are your heart rate and all
Vitals.
your
Navigate
respiratory
up.
rate.
Vitals. Add. More option. Add. Vitals. Close. Vital. More option. Heart rate. Blood pressure. Heart. 70 replace 0. 70. Add. Save. More option. Time. Today. 9. Heart rate. Beats. 69. 71. Add data. Navigation bar. Back.
You can add data
Vitals.
manually here.
Heart rate. Blood glucose. Respiratory. Blood pressure. Heart rate.
You can add your
More
heart
option.
rate.
Heart rate. Blood pressure.
Blood pressure can be added.
Respiratory rate.
Respiratory
Blood
rate.
respiratory. 15 replace 0.
And then again,
Navigation bar.
you can do all this manually.
Respiratory discover. Track your respiratory rate. Get started.
And now these are very important cards.
Discover.
Now here is where you can measure your respiratory rate and everything using your phone. Some of these features may not work on other phones. It may be Pixel devices only. So I'll click get started. I'm
Track your
measuring
respiratory rate.
my
Measuring your
respiratory
breathing
rate.
rate. Get started. Mobile vitals. Measure your respiratory rate with your phone camera. See how your body regulates your breathing by measuring your respiratory rate. Promote. Cancel. Next.
Next.
Next. Cancel. Simply position yourself within the frame. It will detect small movements in your chest to measure your respiratory rate.
So
Ensure you're
one
seated in a
clue.
well-lit area and remove any items covering your face, including hats and masks. Wait a few minutes if you've been active recently.
So one clue for this is you hold your phone. If you're sitting on a chair, you hold your phone on your like your stomach length at your stomach height, and hold it in portrait mode. Hold it a little tilted towards the back, and then the camera will be able to detect your face and chest. If you are using headphones,
vitals.
then you
Cancel.
remove them.
Next.
Next.
Start measurement.
And I'm going to remove my headphones because I'm using a very big
Mobile
headphones
vitals.
and start measurement.
Cancel. Start measurement.
And I'm holding my phone here like this.
Detecting face and chest. Look at the camera and remain still. Mobile vitals. 0%. Tracking small changes in your chest. Breathe comfortably and hold still. 25%. 29%. 34%. 38%. 43%. 47%. 52%. 57%. 62%. 66%. Almost there. 75%. 80%. 83%. 87%. 92%. 97%. Measurement complete. 100%. Your results. Close.
So it said measurement completed and it's giving me my results. You need to allow the app to use your camera for this, definitely.
Your results. Help and feedback.
Sometimes it may not ask you whether you want to allow it to use the camera. And so you need to manually go into your settings, go to apps, select feed, select permissions, and allow camera.
Respiratory rate 20 respirations per minute for informational purposes only.
So mine is
Consult your
20.
local medical authority for advice.
Mine is 20 respiratory rates because I am recording and a little
Save measurement. Vitals. Get started. In list.
So you have saved your respiratory measurement.
Track your respiratory rate. Measuring your breathing can give you an understanding of your body. Check your heart rate. Did you know things like dehydration can affect your heart rate? Measure yours at any time just using your phone.
Now a warning here, do not dismiss these cards because these are permanently dismissible cards, and if you want to measure your things easily, I would suggest you keep these cards on in the discovery feed. So I'll click on get started.
Get started.
You're measuring your heart rate now.
Mobile vitals. Measure your heart rate with your phone camera. See how your body responds in different situations by measuring your heart rate after things like exercising or drinking caffeine. Or take a reading in the morning to track your heart rate at rest. Out of list.
So one tip here, whether you are in a lit room or not, it's better to keep your flashlight on. Hold your thumb on your back camera lens, but do not cover the flashlight.
Cancel. Next. Next. You just need to give us a hand. Put your finger over your rear-facing camera lens to measure your heart rate. For the most accurate read, make sure you're in a well-lit area and can hold your hand steady. David, camera photo. Next. Start measurement.
Now I'm going to start measurement. So I'm going to use my
Mobile vitals.
thumb.
Place. Cancel. Start measurement. Place your fingertip over the rear-facing camera lens. Detecting the pulse in your fingertip. 0. Current flashlight. Flashlight is off. Top.
And I'm turning
Turn
on
your
my flashlight.
Place your fingertip over the camera without making direct contact with the flashlight. Your flashlight may get warm if it's left on for a long time. Okay. Place your fingertip over the rear-facing camera lens. Mobile vitals. Flashlight is on. Toggle. Current measurement progress. Measuring your heart rate. Hold still.
It's telling me to hold still and I'm talking. So my heart rate will not be accurate.
59%.
And it's giving us the
63%,
progress bar.
68%. Almost there. 76%. 81%. 85%.
These
90%,
features may not work on other
94%,
devices. Again,
98%. Measurement complete. 100%. Your results. Close.
so once it tells you your results, that is when you move your finger from the camera or you move your face away from the phone if you're measuring your respiratory rate.
Your results. Help and feedback. Heart rate 72 beats per minute for
So
informational
mine is 72
purposes only.
BPM.
Save measurement.
I'm going to save this measurement.
Vitals. Get started. In lit. Check your heart rate. No recent data. Resting heart rate. No recent data.
And that is all for the demo of the Fit app. There is one more tab, which is the Profiles tab, which is very self-explanatory. You can set your goals, like the number of steps that you walk, the heart rate, the heart points that you get for each activity you do, and all those things, which is very simple to explain. We will do a mini series on the fitness on the Google Fit app. We will do a mini series on the TicWatch app. And so you can stay tuned for that on our YouTube channel or in the app of the week section of our podcast. So that is it for this demo. I hope you have enjoyed this demo.